Alright guys, we're doing a little bit of a different unboxing now. We got a Ninja Slushie professional frozen drink maker because it's Friday somewhere. So let's see what we got. And this version is the 88 ounce opposed to the standard smaller ounce because bigger is better.
More better.
More better.
Maybe we'll take this to the next trade show.
Craft show. Could you imagine if we were offering free drinks at a craft show?
Oh, trade show slushies. There we go. All right, let's.
We got some documentation here.
Flip here. Come over your shoulder.
We got ready to host perfect frozen cocktail hour. Quick start guide. That's what we need.
That's important. Keep that out.
10 plus recipes and Ninja warranty. Ninja is awesome because they warranty everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a little testimonial. First of all, not sponsored by Ninja, guys. We just love the products.
Yeah.
Okay? Nothing here is sponsored.
Oh, and their boxing is always on point too.
Mm-hmm. Love the boxing. I was impressed. So look, Steve and I both had a episode with grills that went out of commission around the same time. Both were with different companies, and I'm not going to say anything about the company I dealt with. It was not pleasant, but Steve had Ninja. And as soon as he notified them, man, they stepped up, took care of it. New one was in the mail right away. Just night and day between two companies. All right. We're almost there. Yep. So close.
How many men does it take to open a slushy machine?
At
least 2.
Wow. Here. My goodness. Sweating.
It's a good thing it's a slushy machine.
Right? Workout. Wow, look how pretty that is.
All right. Good.
Oh. What?
There it is.
Ninja Slushie!
All right, we'll get it all cleaned up, and we'll get the mix in here in a minute. We'll let you see that.
Put it on the counter and plug it in.
Plug it in.
It's magic. Alright, what time is it? It is exactly 8 o'clock.
And it automatically knows what setting to set it at, so that's the temperature gauge.
What?
How does it know?
Magic.
Does it know? Because you told
How does it know?
It's magic. It's a magic little elf bartender that lives in there. And he just takes a little sip.
Just knows. You should put some light in there.
I know what my new job's going to be.
Give me some. Before you do that, there's strawberry puree in there. Do you want to add that in there? I'm going to add mine in the bottom.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a little soupy. Yeah, it needs a little
soupy
Well,
sound.
honestly, this was a great machine. It's a great investment. It takes about 20 minutes to freeze, and after about 3 or 4 drinks, got a little tipsy, and yeah, I can't remember most of the night, but 5 out of 5 would recommend checking out this Ninja Slushie. Definitely. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
It was fun.